Julie Bonner of ToyXplosion.com, and today I'm here to tell you about the DQ Blizzard Maker. You can make your very own Blizzard treats at home, which is pretty exciting. It comes with everything you need. It's got the mixes, the toppings, the cups, spoons, and of course the ice cream maker. All you do is add some ice and salt in one compartment, and you just have to buy some half and half cream at the grocery store, mix it with the ice cream mix, put it in the middle compartment, crank it for about 10 minutes, and you've got a delicious Blizzard Dairy Queen treat. It's for ages 4 and up, and it retails for under $30. Check out this clip of me and 12-year-old Hannah making our very own Blizzard treats.